Alright guys, first set of video notes that goes with the lesson from Monday, adding and subtracting integers. Some rules: if you have two positive or two negative, just add up the values, keep your sign. This first example, 5 plus 8, they're both positive, add them up, 13. Next example, negative 4 plus negative 3, add them up, 7, keep your sign. Down here, more the same guys, negative 7 and negative 6. Right here, add them up, 13. They're both negative, keep your sign. Last one, same thing. So they have the same sign, and we're adding, it's an addition problem. Add them up, keep your sign. All right. Second rule, guys, when you're adding a positive with a negative number, take the difference, that is, subtract the values, and keep the sign of the larger number. So 5, positive 5, negative 8. They have different signs. We're going to subtract them. 8 minus 5 is 3. The bigger one is 8, and that has a negative, so negative 3. Second one, negative 4, positive 3. Different signs, subtract them. So the difference from 4 and 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. The larger number is the 4, and that has a negative. Let's go down here. Negative 6 and 9, positive 9, negative 6. Take the difference. 9 take away 6 is 3. The larger one was this 9, which is positive, so it'll be positive 3. Last example, positive 7, negative 2. One's positive, one's negative, take the difference. 7 minus 2 is 5. The larger number is positive, so it'll stay positive. Okay, for subtraction. Subtract if you know how to, if you're comfortable doing it. So if it was like 10 minus 7, by all means, that's just 3. You don't have to change anything. If you're not sure what to do, you can change it to addition, but you must change the sign of the number that follows. Positive to negative or negative to positive. So for all of these here, you don't have to subtract. You don't have to subtract ever, actually. You can just change them all to positive. So instead of 8 minus 10, I can turn it to plus, but change the sign so that 10 is now negative. And now we can follow the rules from up here. We have one positive, one negative, take the difference, keep the sign of the larger number. So 10 and 8, the difference is 2. The larger one was at negative 10. All right, this next one, negative 6, take away 4. So again, if you're comfortable doing it, subtract it. If not, we can change it to an addition problem. Addition, and now this is negative. So change the operation and change the sign of the number that follows. So it's an addition problem with the same sign, so we can follow the rules up here. Same sign, add them up. Keep your sign. 6 and 4 is 10. They are both negative. All right, last two. Come back up. Okay, we got negative 5, take away negative 6. Again, if you're having trouble understanding what to do, change it to an addition problem and change the sign. So negative 6 is now positive 6. So now I have a negative 5. I have a negative value here, and then we're adding a positive value. Take the difference. That's the rule here. Positive with a negative, take the difference. That's rule number 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. And the larger number was positive, the 6 right there. Alrighty, and this last one, 8 take away negative 7. Again, we don't have to subtract. If you're comfortable subtracting, go right ahead. If not, plus, change the operation and the sign. 8 plus 7 is 15. So That is how you add and subtract whole numbers, positive and negative.